As you might already know, OpenIT helps you gain a deeper understanding of your licensing environment. It allows you to track and optimize license usage by using intelligent reporting along with various automated methods for improving license utilization. But what makes us stand out from the crowd? There are several factors that distinguish OpenIT and position us among the market leaders in the field. 1. Reporting flexibility. Well, we will start by mentioning our reporting flexibility. OpenIT offers integration with a very wide range of business intelligence and data mining tools using an industry standard OLAP Cube. This allows for direct and easy integration with anything from BI tools like Excel, Power BI, and Tableau to data mining tools like SSRS, Spotfire, or any other data visualization tool your organization prefers using. You can have any report or dashboard customized to fit exactly what your organization requires for making informed decisions about license procurement without being constrained by any interface or reporting limitations. 2. Simulated predictions. So, what can be done with these reports? This brings us to the second capability that really helps distinguish us in the field. On top of standard usage and utilization reports, OpenIT allows you to dive deeper into your data and generate reports showing projected what-if scenarios based on license usage. For example, which licensing agreement would be best for a certain product? Having a single global license server or two local ones? Will it be best to have floating licenses or named licenses for a certain product? Maybe having a mix of the two is better? And if so, what would be the optimal ratio between them? Well, OpenIT will offer you the ability to answer all these questions along with many more, allowing you to optimize your license environment by seeing all the available options and how they will affect your organization. 3. Cost-based analysis. Now, once you have all this information, we will help you put it all into context by integrating your organization's licensing and maintenance expenses into the OpenIT dataset. That means you will be able to generate cost-based reports and even provide automated invoicing to different departments or stakeholders, painting a clear picture of how much money was spent on licensing and how much money can be saved by optimizing the licensing environment. Meaning, you will also be able to ask cost-based questions and gain a better understanding of not only what your options are, but also how much they will eventually save your organization. 4. Advanced services. But what if you do not have the manpower or resources to generate and analyze the various reports or administer the environment? It's simple. You can leverage our team to help you fill any demand, ranging from report generation and analysis, chargeback administration, vendor negotiations, rebalancing portfolios, true-ups calculation, or even all the way up to full managed services where OpenIT maintains your whole licensing environment and related procurements. This way, you can rest easy knowing that certified professionals with over 20 years of experience in the field are there to maintain and optimize your system while helping you fill any requests related to software licensing. And this is what makes OpenIT stand out. We are dedicated to optimizing IT assets and offer a robust solution for helping with every aspect of the asset's life cycle.